Hey guys, welcome to Login Up. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your DID account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your DID AI account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in d-id.com like this and hit on enter. And after that you'll be redirected over here, which is the home page of DID. And in order to log into your account, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for us. Simply click on the login button like this, and after that you'll be redirected to the AI page or the studio page of the DID. And you can see, guys, at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see the guest icon available or the guest mode available over here. In order to log into your account, click on this guest mode like this, and over here, guys, you can see the login slash sign up button available for us. Click on login slash sign up, and over here, guys, you'll be required to enter your email address like this, and after that enter your password over here like this, guys. Or guys, you can simply log into your DID account with your Google or a LinkedIn ID. If you click on these buttons available over here where I'm hovering now, you'll be directed to a page where you can log into your Google or your LinkedIn account. And if you do so, you'll be signed into your DID account with your Google or your LinkedIn ID, with whichever you did it's okay with. And with that being said, guys, and after entering your email and your password, but guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can see the forgot password button available over here. Simply click on forgot password to go through a procedure to create procedure to retrieve or reset your DID account's password. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address and password, simply click on sign in, and then you'll be logged into your DID account online on your computer. And so, guys, this is how you log into your DID account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.